Hello friends, myself Dr. Parag Ratekar, cardiologist from PGI RML Hospital, New Delhi. This is basically an introductory video to help guide you regarding the preparation for NEET super specialty exam in cardiology, and also to give you insight regarding the DAMS super specialty cardiology course which we have prepared. So first, you all know that there is lot of competition in cardiology entrance exam, and the type of pattern which is changed now, where they are asking cardiology based MCQ and only single entrance test is there, that is NEET, conducted by NEET body. So it is very difficult to prepare for cardiology based MCQs, especially during your residency days where you are mostly concentrating on medicine. So what I would suggest to you is you go through thoroughly with the textbook of Harrison, so that you could be able to answer the medicine based MCQ and at least revise it 4 to 5 times, which we had used to do in our postgraduate days and for the DM entrance preparations, and that gave us good results. So I suggest you to have a good revision of Harrison, so that you could be able to solve the medicine based MCQ. For the cardiology, the ideal practice which is to be done is to read Braunwald's textbook of cardiology, and also along with this, for pediatric cardiology, a textbook of Park or Perloff, any one of the two should be read, and that has also to be revised at least 3 to 4 times, so as to get a good grasp of the subject and so as to answer questions properly. Why it is important? Because the only 1 or 2 MCQ here or there, your rank shifts by around 20 to 30, because there are lots of aspirants appearing for the DM cardiology entrance. So to simplify your approach, or so as to have a good understanding of Braunwald, so that you could answer, so that you also come to know what exactly are the important MCQ topics, what should I focus on mainly in the Braunwald's textbook. I have also covered a important DAMS super specialty course in cardiology. This is the course DAMS NEET super specialty cardiology course which we are providing, where we have included 7 main modules which you can see. First, the first module, where I have covered the basics in cardiology, where mainly the questions will be asked with or mainly we will be discussing regarding clinical examination, ECG, X-ray, CT scan, MRI, nuclear cardiology and cardiac catheterization. I will be giving a detailed explanation regarding this, and also I will be stressing points like regarding the commonly asked MCQs which have been asked in the recently held entrance exams. Then in the module 2 will be based on the coronary artery disease, module 3 with respect to heart failure, and the module 4 with respect to arrhythmias. Module 5 I have mainly covered with respect to valvular and congenital heart diseases, and all these modules are mostly based on the Braunwald's textbook of cardiology, and this congenital part is also based on the Park as well as the Perloff's textbook of pediatric cardiology. And then module 6 we will be discussing mainly on the very high yielding MCQ topic, that is with respect to hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, restrictive cardiomyopathies and other cardiomyopathies like Takotsubo or peripartum cardiomyopathy. And also we will be discussing regarding pericardial diseases, CCP, and its difference with restrictive cardiomyopathy. Apart from this, module 6 will also cover the important drugs and also the various trials and other miscellaneous topics. And lastly, a very interesting module I have included, that is images in cardiology, because in the entrance exam we are given for example, X-ray is given, or a ECG is given, or a echocardiogram is given, and you are asked to comment on short history may be given or may not be given, and you are asked to give a spot diagnosis of what exactly this situation is. So many images have covered in this, and this will help you answer and get a good grasp about cardiology. And all these modules I have given a good explanation of the important topics of these respective modules, and also I have highlighted where and in which points important MCQs are asked, so that you are aware of what to read better in this from the textbook of Braunwald or from Park or pediatric cardiology. And after completion of all these modules, we included 100 MCQs in cardiology, which where the MCQs will be given, and also a thorough explanation of this MCQs is also provided. So giving you this detail about this DAMS NEET super specialty cardiology course. I hope this will come handy in your work, and I wish you all the best for the cardiology entrance exam. Okay, all the best again. Thank you.